How to use dual SIM card on iPhone 15, 15 Pro Max and Plus. For that, you have to set up either two eSIMs or one eSIM with one physical SIM. You just have to add eSIM and then activate it, or you can also insert a nano SIM card for the physical SIM slot. Once both SIMs are active, you can label them by giving different names like primary and secondary for easier management. Choose a default line for calls, messages, and data going through settings. You can also switch between two SIMs. For switching, tap the line label in the phone app or select the line within a message. To quickly switch data, add cellular data to control center for easy toggling between SIMs. So, in this way, by adding one eSIM with one physical SIM, you can easily use dual SIM on your iPhone 15 and Plus. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.